The account is too new message usually isn't a permanent restriction. It's commonly triggered when Mistplay needs more time to verify a new account or detect normal account activity before certain features become available. By the end, you'll know why this message appears, what you can do to fix it, and what to avoid so you don't create additional account problems. The first thing to understand is that this message is usually related to account age or verification, not your phone. If you just created your Mistplay account, give the platform time to complete its normal checks. Logging in repeatedly, reinstalling the app several times, or creating another account rarely solves the issue, and can create new problems instead. Next, make sure your account information is complete. Use the same login method you originally selected. Verify any requested information, and confirm you're using the latest version of the app from your device's official app store. App updates often include bug fixes that improve account stability. Now check your device. Mistplay is designed to track game progress while you play eligible games launched through the app. If you installed a supported game before downloading Mistplay or opened the game outside the Mistplay app, your activity may not be tracked correctly. Always launch supported games directly from your Mistplay library. If the message still appears after you've used the account normally for a while, contact Mistplay support through the app's help section. Include a screenshot of the message, your device model, your Android version, and a description of when the problem appears. Providing complete information helps support investigate your account more efficiently. Here are a few mistakes worth avoiding. Don't create multiple Mistplay accounts. Don't uninstall and reinstall the app repeatedly hoping the restriction disappears. Don't use unofficial versions of the app or modify your device in ways that could interfere with normal app operation. Those steps are far more likely to delay a solution than speed one up. The biggest takeaway is that the account is too new message is usually connected to account verification or normal eligibility checks, rather than a permanent ban. Keeping one account, using the official app, launching games through Mistplay, and allowing time for your account to mature are the safest ways to resolve the issue. Your next step is simple. Update Mistplay if needed, confirm your account information is complete, continue using the app normally, and contact support if the message doesn't disappear after reasonable account activity. If this guide helped you troubleshoot your Mistplay account, like the video and subscribe for more app fixes, payout guides, and reward app tutorials.